everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change address and country on Shopee. So let's get into the video. So open up Shopee and log into your account. So log into your Shopee accounts, and once you're on your site here, so what you're going to do, you're going to hit on this profile here on your top right. So simply hover over and select my account, click on it, and then when you get to my account here, so under my account on your left side menu there will be an address option. Click on address, and then when you get your address option, hit on add new address. So simply click on add new address, and here you'll be able to make changes to your address. So simply just type in the address that you want it to change it to. So just type that in, and then once that's done, you can select your state and your country and everything. So and then hit on submit, and that's it. So you'll be able to change your address. And if you want to also change your country, or if you want to change your country or region on Shopee, simply scroll down and you'll be able to see the different types of countries or regions available on Shopee. So you can simply select that and you'll be able to view the page for related to those countries. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video.